Number 1. 1967 Ford F100, price $8,500. It stands out with its sleek black exterior and matching black interior. It's powered by a strong 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission and a 9-inch rear end. With only 93,000 original miles, this truck remains in solid running condition. The body is made of solid steel and retains its classic bumpside styling, now enhanced with a lowered stance and C-notch for a more aggressive look. It features true dual exhaust for a deep, throaty sound, and is equipped with rare old-school blue dot taillights that add a touch of vintage flair. Recently, it's been fitted with new tires and a new battery, ensuring it's ready for the road. This F100 starts right up, runs strong, drives smoothly, and stops as it should, making it a reliable classic that's as functional as it is eye-catching. Number 2. 1976 Chevrolet K10, price $6,500, with approximately 130,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 350 small block V8 engine, it features a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny gear, making it ideal for both off-road and utility use. The truck runs on gasoline and sports a classic white exterior paired with a blue interior. Performance upgrades include an Edelbrock carburetor and intake manifold, headers, and dual cherry bomb mufflers, giving it an aggressive tone and improved breathing. It's also fitted with a winch and worn front differential lockers, ensuring strong off-road capability. Additional features include an electric choke, CB radio, and a clean title. The truck has recently received several new parts, including a new alternator, one new battery. It uses a new starter, new spark plugs, a new distributor cap, and new header gaskets and bolts. It also comes with a brush guard and a homemade heavy-duty rear bumper, along with a spare wheel and tire. Number 3. 1972 GMC Sierra Grande, price $10,000. This truck is a classic pickup with just 80,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title. It's powered by a freshly rebuilt engine and comes from its second owner. While it doesn't have air conditioning, nearly everything else has been addressed to make it a strong, dependable driver. The interior is brand new, and the paint, done 2 years ago, still shines. Although the truck has been sitting for the past 2 years, mechanically, it's close to fully restored. It has a brand new gas pump, alternator, spark plug wires, and spark plugs. The carburetor has also just been rebuilt, and the truck is approximately 90% complete. With only a few minor details left, it won't take much to turn this Sierra Grande into an impressive, head-turning classic. Number 4. 1981 Toyota pickup, price $8,000. This truck is a rust-free classic with just 86,000 miles, finished in gray with a brown interior. It features a solid front axle, 4-wheel drive with manual locking hubs, a 5-speed manual transmission, a 4-speed transfer case, and the legendary 22 or 4-cylinder gasoline engine. The truck has been extensively refreshed with many new parts, including an aluminum radiator, coolant hoses, fuel pump, distributor cap and rotor, spark plugs, rebuilt driveshafts, and a professionally rebuilt factory carburetor. It also has a new custom exhaust, minimal clutch wear, and strong compression with no smoke. Brakes and suspension have been updated with rebuilt rear brakes, new front calipers and pads, and Bilstein front shocks on aftermarket mounts. The power steering pump has been rebuilt with new lines. Inside, it features custom door panels, and both the floorboards and bed have been rust-proofed and lined for durability. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet C20, price $5,500. It has 106,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It was previously owned by an older gentleman who primarily used it for maintaining his rental properties. Under the hood, it retains its factory 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck also comes with factory air conditioning, though the system will need a new AC line and a recharge to function properly. While the engine does run, the truck has been sitting for quite some time and will require some attention to get back on the road. It will need a carburetor replacement and a tune-up to start reliably. The fuel tank still contains old gasoline, which has been gradually burned off. Despite its age and the need for some mechanical work, this Chevy is a solid and rust-free Arizona truck, making it a great candidate for restoration or use as a classic driver. Number 6. 1972 Ford Courier, price $3,200, with only 63,000 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior paired with a clean black interior, maintaining a classic look that holds up well for its age. Equipped with a manual transmission and running on gasoline, this truck starts up, runs, and drives reliably. A new carburetor has recently been installed, improving its overall performance. The brakes will need to be bled, but otherwise, it remains in good mechanical condition. While there are a couple of minor rust spots, the body is in good shape considering the truck's age. The title is clean and ready to transfer to a new owner. This Courier makes a great option for collectors or anyone looking for a dependable, vintage ride with character. Number 7. 1996 Ford F150, price $4,500, equipped with a reliable 5.0L engine and currently has 255,000 miles on the odometer. Despite the mileage, the truck runs and drives well, making it a solid choice for a first-time driver or anyone in need of a dependable daily vehicle. The vehicle has recently received several important upgrades and maintenance items, including brand new front and rear brakes, new front and rear shocks, and a set of new wheels and tires. It also features 1.5-inch leveling springs, giving it a more balanced stance and improved handling. Additionally, the water pump and front steering linkage were just replaced, and the truck has undergone a proper alignment to ensure smooth steering. The interior has been professionally detailed, making the cabin clean and comfortable for everyday use. Number 8. 1972 GMC 2500, price $6,000, with approximately 165,000 miles and is powered by a healthy 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The engine has been upgraded with valve covers, a new intake, carburetor, hooker headers, distributor, plugs, and wires. It also features power steering and dual Flowmaster side dump exhausts. The red exterior pairs with an off-white interior, which includes a new carpet and dash pad. Originally equipped with 2 gas tanks, one was removed due to damage but is included in the bed. Tank switch still works. It has new mirrors, a driver's door, and a driver front fender. All lights are functional, rust is minimal, limited mostly to under the truck and cab corners. The bed was repaired and primered, and there's no rust under the carpet. The windshield is cracked but doesn't leak. This is a solid, mostly updated classic truck that runs strong and shows well. Number 9. 1979 GMC 2500, price $5,200. This truck is a solid and dependable classic pickup, featuring a powerful 454 cubic inch engine equipped with an Edelbrock carburetor and manifold for enhanced performance. It has recently received new brakes on both the front and rear, ensuring reliable stopping power. The truck sits on good tires, and the spare has never even touched the ground, a testament to how well it's been cared for. It also comes with dual fuel tanks, providing extended driving range. With a clear title in hand, this GMC is ready for the road or to serve as a strong foundation for a restoration project. Number 10. 1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, features a gray exterior and a matching gray interior, paired with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and has undergone extensive upgrades, including the installation of a port-injected 5.7L Vortec engine currently set at 520 horsepower. The truck runs and drives well, offering reliable performance on the road. It also comes equipped with a full-gauge set and new carpeting, enhancing both functionality and comfort inside the cabin. While there is a minor issue, it's nothing that can't be easily fixed. Overall, a lot of work has been put into this truck, making it a solid and powerful classic with modern performance upgrades.